If you're looking to escape the hustle of big city life and settle down in a more slow-paced, affordable way of living, look no further than a beautiful Aiken, South Carolina. Tucked away in a cul-de-sac with no HOA, but yet still conveniently located just minutes from downtown Aiken and all that it has to offer. This cozy brick ranch sits on over half an acre on a corner lot. Step inside to discover over 1,800 square feet of living space with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the cutest sunroom. You will also love the easy maintenance of the hardwood floors throughout the entire house. This property provides privacy plus convenience and is the perfect place to start your family, raise your babies, and even have chickens. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified of all of my latest listings.